Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. The stocks kicked off Friday's trading session along the flat line as Wall Street assessed the release of disappointing consumer data, but strong earnings are helping hold up the end of a strong week with solid gains, and of course there's still the coronavirus fears out there. But we'll start with the S&P 500 as we usually do on a Friday with a weekly chart. Currently, chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Currently up 1.3% on the week, trading at 3,374.09. The second straight week of gains for the S&P 500. Key level to watch should be 3,214.68. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index having its second straight week of gains, trading above $99 with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a strong uptrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 97.35. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones having its second straight week of gains, trading above 29,000 at 29,449 with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for the Dow. Key level to watch should be 28,169.53. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle for the Dow. NASDAQ having the best week of the three indexes, currently up over 2% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend as tech continues to lead the way on most of our stock lists, like the top stocks list. Key level to watch would be 9,088.04. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Gold bouncing back this week after losing about 1.2% last week, currently up 0.6% this week, trading at 1,584.50 with green trade triangles across the board, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100. Key level to watch would be 1,568.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil bouncing back after having multiple weeks of declines, currently up 3% on the day, trading above $52. However, chart analysis score remains negative 55, indicating that the long-term and intermediate terms are still down for crude oil. Therefore, your key level to watch will be 51.31. A move back below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for crude oil. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin. Currently up about 0.3% today, trading above the $10,000 level, able to hold on to that this week with its third straight week of gains. Currently, chart analysis scores plus 100, indicating that we're in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch should be 8,317.60. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. With that, every success. Have a great long trading weekend, and we'll be back next week to give you some market updates.